everyone. Welcome to the online session of Basic Electronics, and in this video I am going to explain about biased series clipper circuit. In the previous video of this subject I had discussed different types of clipper circuit. We had seen the classification of clipper and we had also done the analysis of unbiased series positive clipper as well as the unbiased series negative clipper. So today I am going to discuss the biased series clipper. So let us begin. This is the circuit diagram for the clipper, and you can see here there is a battery kept in the clipper circuit. That's why it is called the biased clipper. Series clipper it is called because this diode is connected in series with the output, and negative clipper because we will see the output of this circuit. It will clip the negative portion of input signal. Vi is the input applied and Vo, that is the output taken across the load. Now let us do the analysis of this clipper circuit. While analysis of biased clipper circuit, you need to divide the input voltage range, that is from Vm to minus Vm, into two parts, and the reference level should be Vr, that is the battery which is connected in series. But this Vr we need to consider positive or negative. You need to consider the terminal which is connected towards the input, that is positive terminal is connected to input. That is why we need to consider reference voltage Vr as the positive. So when Vin is greater than Vr, Vin minus Vr is greater than 0, we can write from this equation, and this voltage will be greater than 0, that means diode is on. When diode is on, the output voltage is directly connected to this, and that is Vin minus Vr. When Vin is less than Vr, at that time you will find that this is the less value than that of this, and diode will remain in the reverse bias, that is in off. So Vin minus Vr is less than 0 from this equation itself, and due to that the voltage at this is less than 0, and that's why diode is off. And as diode is off, this voltage across RL will be 0. So this is the analysis for the input voltage range. Now we will see the analysis into two parts. Again the same thing, Vin greater than Vr, diode is on, and output will be Vin minus Vr. So equivalent circuit is something like this. When Vin is greater than Vr, this portion is Vin minus Vr, which is greater than 0, and that is why diode is on. When diode is on, you know this voltage is Vin minus Vr. So output voltage is Vin minus Vr. And you can see till this reference level Vr, diode was off, and after this reference voltage level diode turned on and we are getting the output. So if I draw the waveform enlarged version, and this is the reference voltage, this is the Vin signal, this is your Vm, this is the minus Vm, then this portion till this input reaches to Vm value, output remains 0, and after Vin greater than Vr, you are getting output. So if this time period is T1, then till T1 time period we are getting output 0, and after that you are going to get this much portion appeared at the output, and that is shown over here because this particular range is 0 to pi, and up to T1 there is no output, that means output voltage is 0, and after that we can say up to T2 we are getting the output. This is the T2, up to T2 we are getting output, and from T2 to pi output voltage is 0. And what will be the value of the output? That is Vin minus Vr. Now we will see the analysis of same clipper circuit for Vin less than Vr. We know that V in less than VR, that means V in minus VR, this difference is less than 0, and due to that diode is off and the equivalent circuit is this. As diode is off, that means open circuit, output will be 0, and that is for this particular input voltage range. So as diode is off, output voltage will be 0. So equivalent output voltage is shown over here, and that is for this particular range, that is for this range. And we had already seen the output for T1 to T2 duration, that is V in minus VR, and for other thing output is 0. Now we will see the waveform for same. Over here the input waveform and the output waveform is shown very clearly. Input voltage range, look at this carefully. This is the input voltage range from Vm to minus Vm. We have reference voltage plus VR. I told you how you are going to see the reference voltage level, whether it is positive or negative. If positive terminal of the battery is connected towards the input, then you have to consider reference voltage level as plus. So plus VR. From 0 to T1 we have input less than VR, that's why output will be 0. So till T1 output is 0. From T1 to, we can say T2, up to T2 we are getting diode on. For this portion, this particular portion, we have diode on, and when diode is on, output is Vi minus VR, and peak value will be Vm minus VR. And after that, which is for V in less than VR, we are having output 0, and same thing is being repeated. And over here you will find that negative portion of the input signal is being clip off. Then this is why this is called the negative clipper. So this is the output voltage waveform for the biased negative series clipper. Now we will do one example. We will see one example. For the given circuit, this is a circuit given to you. You need to plot the output voltage waveform, and input is also shown. You can see this reference voltage level VR is 5 volt. This is the diode and the resistor of 1 kilo ohm. Input voltage ranges from plus 15 to minus 15. And for this particular circuit diagram, we need to plot the output voltage waveform with all the voltage values. So we will start analysis of this. We consider the diode to be ideal diode. So we will consider diode is on, switch is closed, diode is off, switch is open. So same step we will follow. You can see here the input voltage range is being plotted from plus 15 to minus 15, and now you need to divide the input voltage range into two parts, and here for the bias clipper we will divide it from the reference voltage level. And as this battery positive terminal is connected towards the input, we will consider the reference voltage plus 5 volt. So plus 5 volt is the reference. For the input greater than plus 5 volt, diode will be forward bias, because when input is greater than plus 5 volt, anode is connected to the positive voltage, that's why diode is on. And when diode is on, the voltage across this is V in minus 5 volt. That's why we can say output voltage is V in minus 5 volt. And during this, when V in is less than 5 volt, at that time the diode anode terminal will be connected to the minus voltage, and that's why diode is in the reverse bias and output will be 0. So we will draw first equivalent circuit. During positive half cycle, the V in greater than 5, the equivalent circuit can be shown like this, and we consider diode as a closed switch over here, and due to that output you can find minus, plus, plus, minus. And as V in, that is the input voltage Vi, is greater than 5 volt, Vi minus 5, because it is variable. So Vi going to change from 5 volt to 15 volt. So output is Vi minus 5 volt. Now we will see when equivalent circuit, when diode is on. Same thing we had discussed in the previous slide. Diode is on, output voltage is Vi minus 5. When input is less than 5 volt, diode is off. Equivalent circuit is this with the diode off. Diode is off, output voltage is 0. Now we will plot the waveform. This is the input voltage waveform, which is having the peak value of 15 and negative peak value minus 15 of voltage. Now we will see, we have seen that this is the reference voltage level. So during this Vin is less than 5 volt and output voltage is 0, and during this when Vin is greater than 5 volt, at that time output voltage is Vin minus 5. So from 0 to T1 we have output 0 because we have this particular range, and from this T1 to T2 we have range Vin greater than 5 volt. So we will see this particular portion of the input signal at the output, and what will be the values. Here it is 5 volt, and at the output you will find that voltage will be 0, and when it is 15 volt it will be 15 minus 5, that is 10 volt. From T2 till this particular point you will find output voltage remains 0, and after this, that is when input again increases greater than 5 volt, you will find the same thing being repeated. So this is how the output of this particular circuit is being plotted with all voltage levels. With this, I am ending this session over here. Thank you.